Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice Bar channel is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. I love to make my juice. I want to say to you my fans to say on the Juice Bar channel I may have to put up some salad recipe on it. You know the reason why? It is summer. You know what I mean? I want to twist it over to my fans and to let them know exactly what's going on. Anyway, today is a nice lovely day. Today is Friday and a beautiful day. Sunshine is really good. Time, the weather, everything is just great at the moment. I have some mixed melon. Like when I said mixed melon, I mean watermelon, cantaloupe, yellow melon, julie melon, any kind of melon you have at home. Put some melon inside of your Ninja blender or your blender, any kind of blender you have at home. If you have a good blender, it is better for you. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make you a nice lovely melon smoothie, and I'm gonna pop some ice inside of it just like this. Alright, so that's the ice. I just put a few pieces of ice inside of it. And what I'm going to do is just pop a little bit of water. You don't need too much water inside of it. Just a little bit of water. And second thing, I'm going to be squeezing roughly about a teaspoon of honey or tablespoon of honey, guys. It's up to your sweetness, because you know what I mean, I like sweetness, so I have a sweet tooth. I'm going to be squeezing quarter of a lemon juice inside of it just like this. Very healthy, fresh and nice for you guys to make at home this summer. Alright, second thing, if you have your fresh ginger, because for me, I normally love my ginger. Now what I'm going to do is that's simple, cut a little piece of a ginger and put it straight inside of it just like that. So if you're a guy, if you're a person who love ginger and love bits and pieces, chuck it in it, blend up everything and drink it. It's, you know what I mean, lovely weather, lovely time, and you know what I mean, we're gonna have to all enjoy ourselves in this summer. Alright, so I'm gonna get my Ninja blender. If you have a good blender, as I said, it is good for you to use a good blender, guys, honestly, because you know the good blender works really well. So yeah, this is what's gonna happen now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be blending this roughly about 3 to 4 seconds on my Ninja blender. So it's gonna make a little bit of noise. So if you have a good blender where it doesn't make any noise, if you have a silent blender, use it. It doesn't matter. Any kind of blender you have at home. Alright? Once you know you can blend up your juice and your smoothie, bring it to work and share with your co-worker. Tell them that I saw this on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. Alright, ready one again, and we're gonna blend this in roughly about 3 to 4. That's it right here. It doesn't take long for blend, and you know what I mean, you just simple chop it up for about 3 to 4 seconds. If you have a good blender, that's exactly what I'm talking about. 3 to 4 seconds and a good blender. If it doesn't have a good blender, it may take a little bit longer. But as I said, look at this. This is amazing. Especially in this kind of weather, the kids them will love this kind of drink. Look at this, guys. Really amazing, simple watermelon smoothie. It's just amazing drink. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes. We got some salad recipe coming up. It is summer, so request and you know what I mean, write your comments in the description box and we'll definitely make some lovely juice. So let's taste this and see. This is perfect for the summer. Really cold and nice. You know what I mean? Check out my other juice on the Chef Ricardo cooking show. I got a fresh cucumber juice on it also. That's how we normally do it because of the kind of weather now. Anyway, we love you guys. Thank you so much. Please leave your comments in the description box and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Very important. And also, don't forget, request. It is